Hi guys, it's Angela. I got a request actually from my mom to do a wave, and I haven't done it yet, so I figured I would try to do it tonight. So what I'm gonna do is try to do a wave like what Molly's Artistry does, but on a much smaller scale. This is a 10 by 10 canvas. Molly tends to do like 24 by 24s, and instead of using a blow dryer, I'm gonna just try to do a swipe. So all that said, I've got a bunch of blues mixed up, got some white, and let's just get started. This one's for Grandma, though. Want to say hi to Grandma? Don't touch, though, okay? The paint's still wet.
That's for this one?
Yeah, it's a straw.
That's where all the paint needs to get all over here, Mama.
Yeah. This one's for... No, don't touch. No. All right, well, Charlie added a little touch to it, Grandma. This is for Grandma in Washington, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you say I love you?
I love you.
Say I love you, Grandma.
I love you, Grandma.
There you go.
What is this? What is this? Oh. This paint need to get stuff in here with her paint more.
Yep. All right. Well, let's see how this one dries.
We need